Hello, myself Vandana Sharma, an English teacher of Tilak Bharti Higher Secondary School, Gudiyari. Hello students, today we are going to study class 10th lesson Patriotism. Before starting the lesson Patriotism, let me tell you some inspirational utterances of Dr. Abdul Kalam. As this lesson is categorized under the unit inspiration. So the utterances of Abdul Kalam, don't read success stories. You will get only message. Read failure stories. You will get some ideas to get success. One more, to succeed in your mission, you must have a single-minded devotion to your goal. And last but not least, and that is too important, life and time are the world's best teachers. Life teaches us to make good use of time, and time teaches us the value of life. Patriotism lesson is written by Ramendra Kumar, an Indian writer for children. He has written more than 20 books, translated in 7 foreign and 8 Indian languages. Writer wants to convey us the real meaning of patriotism. It is the story of a person, Akash Rai, who was studying to be a doctor. After completion of MBBS, he worked hard and won a scholarship to USA. He got his master degree and decided to come back. Along with him, 10 of his friends had also gone for higher studies to America. They all stayed back, but Akash returned. Akash's father was not very happy with his son's decision. He wanted his son to make America his home, earn a lot of money, and finally invite his parents and sister also to settle down in America. But Akash was adamant. His thinking was that his country had spent thousands of rupees for his education, and he had to repay that debt, and the only way to that to serve the people here. Moreover, India and its villages need good doctors for more than rich countries like America. After coming back to India, he worked in a government hospital in the city. A year later, when he came to know that an epidemic broke out in the nearby villages, he packed his bags and left without informing his parents. After a week, Akash's father got a postcard from his son saying that he was busy treating the patients and the situation was very grim. He did not mention where exactly he was. 2 weeks later, father received a phone call saying that Akash had been admitted in the city hospital in a serious condition. When his parents reached there, they found him in a very bad state. He could barely speak. His father asked him why he was torturing himself as well as them, and his friends were enjoying life in America, earning lots of money and living a comfortable life, and he was fighting for his life in India. He told his father that he was unable to see the suffering of person and could not watch people dying around him, and he was not doing anything for them. After battling for a month, Akash died in his mother's arms. Entire village was there at his cremation, and there was not even one eye which was dry. To pay homage to Akash, villagers launched a drive collecting donations for building a hospital in the village, approaching the local MLA also. He was agreed to organize a hefty donation, thinking that hospital would be named after him. But the villagers were adamant. They took the money, built the hospital, and called Akash parents for opening ceremony. Akash father inaugurated the hospital. When he read the name of hospital, that is Akash Memorial Hospital, in memory of Dr. Akash Rai, who saved the village from death, his eyes were wet with tears. As a professor of philosophy, Akash father always thought he knew everything, but his son taught him the true essence of the term service and the real meaning of the word patriotism. This story is told by Akash father to his grandchildren Ajit and Naina to convey the message that to be a patriot, one need not die or go to jail. One can show one's love for one's country in many small ways, such as to love its culture and its people, to respect the national anthem and its flag, to respect the language, and above all, the love for his fellow countrymen. So we got a message from the lesson that it is not the battlefield alone which produces patriots. In the battlefield of life too, we will find many martyrs. So my request to all that to stay at home and stay safe and prove yourself as a great patriot. Thank you all of you.